Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to learn the subject Social Science of Class 9, Part Geography, the first chapter, Location and Size of India. We are going step by step. First, India is our nation, and out of the continent Asia, India is one of the countries. So here I had drawn a rough sketch of map of India, where I shall give you an idea of the size and location of our country. First of all, India, its shape is peninsular shape. Peninsula means a projection of land which is projected to a water area, where it is covered by three sides of the water bodies. On the western side of it, it is Arabian Sea, and eastern side of it, it is Bay of Bengal, and in the southern part of it, it is Indian Ocean. Practically these are the parts of Indian Ocean. Now this total land area, which is must be within the boundary of the latitudes. This country lies on the northern and southern hemisphere in the middle, because we know, according to our latitude, this is the equator and this is the Tropic of Capricorn, and this is the Tropic of Cancer. So India lies almost here, because the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 and 30 degree north latitude, passes almost in the middle, dividing our country into two equal halves on the northern side and southern side. The extension of our country, as per our latitude, it is 8.4 degree north on the south and 36.6 degree north in the north. Similarly, according to latitude, that is 97.25 degree east in the eastern part and 68.7 degree east on the western part. That is the extension of our country. Now the extension from the eastern side to western side, it is almost 28 or about 30 degree, the difference of latitude, but in altitude it is around 30 degree. From northernmost point to the southernmost point of the mainland of our country, which is 3,214 kilometer, and from the westernmost point to the easternmost point, that the length of this extension is 2,933 km. So that is the extension of our country, and according to this extension, it's a large country, and according to its size, it is the 7th largest country in the world. The size of this country and the total area of our country, it is approximately 3.28 million square kilometer, and this is the 7th largest country according to its size, and the total land area covers the 2.4% of the total land area of the world. And this country is what I started very earlier. This, it is a peninsular shape, which is a projection of triangular shape of land in the ocean, and more than 15,200 coastline, 15,200 coastline, along with, because along with our mainland we have two island groups, that is, one is Andaman and Nicobar island group, and this is Lakshadweep island group. Out of this, 7,520 kilometer is coastline of this, and the total coastline area is more than 15,200 kilometer. That is our coastal area. Now this country is land bounded on the northern side and water bounded on the southern side. And in the land areas, we have our neighbors on the easternmost side. Here we have Myanmar. Here it is Bangladesh. Here it is Nepal. Here it is Bhutan. It is China in this part. It is Pakistan. And in this area, here a little part of this, we get a border of Afghanistan. So these are our neighboring countries along with eastern, northern and western, and one country here, that is, here it is Sri Lanka. So, and this is an island country which is almost southern part of our country, and it is divided by a small sea line between this. So as a whole, I am giving you a clear idea again about our country, India. India is one of the countries of Asia continent. Asia is the largest continent of the world, and it is one of the countries of the continent Asia. And according to size, it is the 7th largest country of the world. And what is its size? What is its area? 3.28 million square kilometer. And total land area is 2.5% of the total land area of the world. Now its extension from south to north, from 8.4 degree north to 37.6 degree north, and here in the easternmost part 97.25 degree east to the 68.7 degree east, and its extension from northernmost to southernmost is total length is 3,214 km, and easternmost and westernmost point is 2,933 km, and its three-sided covered area in the south is water bodies. Here on the southernmost is Indian Ocean, on the right hand side of it, that is eastern part of our land, mainland, it is Bay of Bengal, and another western part of our country, that is Arabian Sea. And in these two seas we have two island parts of our country, that is on the Bay of Bengal it is Andaman and Nicobar Island, and in the Arabian Sea it is a group of islands known as Lakshadweep. And according to our world map, you will get a map, physical map of world in the form of globe in the first page of your chapter, that is in world what is the location of our country, it is given clearly. And in this map you will find this, the neighboring countries of us. On the northern side there are three countries, it is mainly China, Nepal and Bhutan. And on the eastern part it is completely Myanmar, that is on the eastern part, which covering Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram border. And here it is Bangladesh, our state Tripura, it is our state Tripura, it is covered three-sided, it is covered with Bangladesh border, and one part is connected with the Assam. And in the western part we will get Pakistan, and in the extreme north part we get a little border sharing with Afghanistan. And on the southern part, that is a island country which is also our neighboring country, that is Sri Lanka. So this is the, as a whole, a glimpse of our size and location of our country. And the Tropic of Cancer, which passing through almost in the middle, dividing our country into almost equal to half, northern and southern part. And this is the northern part and this is considered as our southern part. This is the glimpse or a summary of the location of size of our country, India.